Hey guys, welcome back to RV Living Yet. I'm Sabrina.
And I'm Rob.
And it is hot out here today.
Oh yeah, we're in the mid-90s right now.
You got to be sweating it out too. And if you're looking for a cheaper option to cool down your rig or maybe even your home, we got it for you.
Stay tuned. Alright guys, if you've been watching our channel or you're new here, we've been kind of dabbling in the RV air conditioning space for a while. We've got a couple videos out there that's getting some pretty good reviews. So Pasapair decided to send us this portable air conditioner to review. We're not getting paid for the sponsorship. They did just send us the unit. This we think is going to be a great way to cool down a small space like a bedroom, or if you have a travel trailer or even a van life type of situation. I think something like this is a very affordable option. It's only 800 watts, so it's going to be able to be run off a small solar system, and I guess it's Wi-Fi capable, so you can actually monitor it while you're away from your rig, which is pretty huge. Which
may actually help all the pet owners out there that, you know, get a little scared to leave their pets in their rig. Might be another alternative. Yeah,
that would be pretty cool to be able just to check on, make sure the unit's running. So let's unbox it and show you guys how it works. Alright guys, so putting the hose together is pretty easy. Just basically screws on each end. Those are the two parts. This part's going to connect to the back of the air conditioner. This part's going to connect to your exhaust panel, which is going to be at the window. And pretty quick. Slides on there. And then this locks into the panel. Now for us, I'd probably trim this down. We don't have time in this video, but to customize that so it's going to fit in the window there. So that would be case by case for however you want to vent this. But if we're going to trim this, and then I could probably tape it in place, or rig up something to keep it a little bit more permanent when we're in one location. But this is going to pop in here. Put this right there. That exhausting outside. Again, we'll be able to seal that up so that we don't get bugs or anything in, but that'll get the hot air outside. And we got the power cord. Alright, let's fire this guy up. Turn on. Speed. Mode. So we got air conditioning, we got dehumidifier, and I believe we have fan. So today we're going to try the air conditioning. Alright guys, so we got the unit installed, kind of temporary install just to try it out and show you guys what was in the box. It has 3 modes. It has the air conditioning mode, which is in right now, and it is actually very nice on my legs. It has dehumidify mode, which is awesome if you're away from the rig and you just want to keep the moisture down, keep the mold under control. And then lastly, it has just a fan mode, so if you just want to blow some air, definitely some good options there. The specs on this unit, it's an 8,000 BTU, which most likely will not do a large fifth wheel, the entire fifth wheel, but it will definitely do the bedroom. It will do a smaller travel trailer, a van, something like that. So this is definitely a great, affordable way to get some air conditioning on the road. And if you're not using it while you travel, you can pick it up and put it in your house, put it in your workshop, put it wherever you need air conditioning. So it does say it runs on 801 watts, and I'm assuming that is peak air conditioning. So our solar power should definitely power this no problem during the day. Alright, and then lastly, we're going to leave you guys a link. If you guys want to check this out on Amazon, the link will be below in the description. This is a very affordable unit, and so far we like it.
It is nice and cool in here now. Now don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.